If DaVinci Resolve is throwing error code 2203, don't worry. This is usually a Windows permissions issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix DaVinci Error Code 2203 step by step, so you can get the installer working again without guessing or wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, let's understand what's happening. Error 2203 usually appears when the installer can't access one of Windows' temporary folders. DaVinci Resolve needs permission to write files during installation, and if that access is blocked, the setup fails. This can happen because of denied access to temp folders or a Windows installer permission conflict. The good news is that we can fix this by adjusting folder permissions and running the installer correctly. Start by closing the DaVinci Resolve installer completely if it's already open. If the installer is stuck, use Task Manager to end it before continuing. Once that's done, open File Explorer and go to C drive. Then open the Windows folder and find the temp folder at C:\Windows\temp. This folder is one of the main places where the installer writes temporary setup files, so if permissions are wrong here, the installation can fail. Now right-click the temp folder and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab, then click Edit. This is where you can change folder permissions. Select your user account from the list, and if you don't see it, you may need to add it first. Then enable Full Control for your account. This is important because full control allows the installer to write, read, and modify the files it needs during setup. After applying the changes, click OK and close out of the windows. Next, you need to repeat the exact same process for the second temporary folder, because DaVinci Resolve may also use your user temp location during installation. So open File Explorer again and go to C:\users\YourName\AppData\local\temp. Remember to replace your name with your actual Windows username. Once you're in that temp folder, right-click it, choose Properties, go to Security, then click Edit again. Select your user account and give it full control here as well. Apply the changes and confirm everything. This second step is very important because even if the Windows temp folder is fixed, the installer can still fail if the user temp folder is blocked. Now that both folders have the correct permissions, the final step is to run the DaVinci Resolve installer as administrator. Right-click the installer file and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the setup elevated access and helps it bypass permission issues that could still interfere with the install. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes. At this point, the installer should launch with the access it needs, and error code 2203 should no longer stop the setup process. If the error was caused by folder access restrictions, this fix usually resolves it completely. If it still doesn't work, double-check that both temp folders were updated correctly and that your user account really has full control. So to recap, the fix is simple. Close the installer, go to C:\Windows\temp, change the temp folder permissions, repeat the same steps for C:\YourName\AppData\local\temp, and then run the installer as administrator. That combination solves most DaVinci Resolve Error 2203 problems caused by denied access to temporary folders. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's having the same issue. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me make more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.